So, ito yung anak nun sa labihan na pinapakita ko sa inyo a while ago. So, ito, tatanim ko na siya dito. Tsaka may yung mga babies. Ayan guys. Mga babies na aloe vera. So, lalagay ko na lang din siya dito para madaling dagdagan natin ng sabaw. Tamang-tama na talaga yung sabaw. Ayan. Huwag masyadong punuin kasi pag nag-delete ka, may space pa. Para hindi mag-overflow yung tubig. Tapos siyempre yung sour na ano. Ayan. Okay. So, dito na guys. So, really I'm enjoying doing this. Nag-enjoy talaga ako sa gardening. Yeah. That's all and thank you. Bye! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, mag-unbox tayo guys. Actually, nag-order ako online itong plastic pot for my plants. So, plano ko repot sa mga iba kong plants. So, naka-order na ako online. So, i-unbox natin guys. Pero ito, ano lang to, plastic. Hindi siya pot ceramic. Okay? Sarah can help me. And I have a friend with me, Sarah. And she's from Pakistan. Say hi to them.
Hi everybody guys.
Okay. And you know, I just received it yesterday. So, here we go. Ito yun guys.
Oh, very nice, Rachel. Too much.
Really?
Yes.
See, I don't know. I just saw it online. Yung ano, at saka super. It's very affordable price. So I decided to use this plastic pot because ceramic pot is a bit expensive. So Sarah, this one guys. What color is this?
This brown color and white. Brown and white color.
It's not a brown, it's terracotta, yeah. Oh, I love white.
So cute.
Yeah.
Brown and white. Very nice.
Okay. So, white color. This one, guys. And the other one is the terracotta color. This one. You can show it to them. Sorry. And then this one is different size and the shape as well. Yeah.
It's also cute.
Yeah. You like the color? You
yes.
like the
size?
Yes,
I like too much. Like it's good.
And this one is gray color.
Wow.
And
so much.
you know, I think this one is only 7 dirhams, and the small one is 450. This one is 450 dirhams, and then this one is 7 dirhams. I think white is more costly than black or gray. Yeah.
Yeah, good.
I don't know why. Maybe because of the chemicals. Or yeah. And
this black color.
the black color. So how many sizes I bought by the way?
Big, small.
Yeah. And there is plate as well. So may mga plate din pala siya guys. Yan. Ito yung plates. Yeah. For the black. sorry. Black color. Yeah, this is for the black. Yes. Yes, guys. Ganito siya. So, ang dami ko pang ano. Mahal kasi yung ano, yung ceramic pot. So, mas maganda na siguro kung plastic. Yan. Yes. And the gray color. Okay. And this one, terracotta. I like this color also. You like this color?
Yeah, mustard.
But I prefer white color. I don't know why. I just tried to order all these 3 colors. Wow. It's a white color.
So beautiful. I love white color.
Yeah. You can put all the plates.
Yeah. But this one no have, maybe works out.
No, everyone has the place.
No, okay, this one. Okay, okay. This one have.
Yeah. There should be, yes. So the white color, it's 450 dirhams, guys. And I don't know, this one is the shape is
Maybe
different.
5.
Yeah.
This one 5 there.
This one, I think it's 50. Yeah, it's 50 dirhams. So I bought how many pieces? Ang cute. So for ano siya, worth siya surprise. Excited na ako mag-ano ng mga ibang price. Ayan. Ito lang guys, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo. Ayan. And Sarah, thank you for helping me out. For all this, actually siya yung nag-save sa akin na try ko daw gamitin yung plastic. Mas makasave daw ako kasi nakikita niya na may ligaw sa plants. Medyo marami na akong nagastos sa mga pot ko dito. So sabi niya, why not to use a plastic daw. So ito na. So kaya nagpunta siya sa bahay today. Actually, she just came. So yeah, Sarah, thank you and I love it.
No problem, but you're welcome.
Yes, yes, yes. That's all, guys, and have a good day. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comments. Bye.
Bye, 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 bye.